Hey ladies, I wanted to share my 2 new favorite luxury perfume by Dossier. Girl, I want you to see this unboxing. I want you to see it. Look at this. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. The box is so cute. The way that they even package it is so cute, guys. I want to share this with you. I want to put you in my little secret. Fruity almond. That's one of my favorites. Okay, this is inspired by Carolina Herrera. I never really heard of the perfume, but let me tell you, this scent right here, fruity almond, one of my favorites. It smells so good, ladies. When I tell you, it smells so good, it smells so good, girls. And they keep the same high quality by cutting all expensive, ladies. It's not that expensive. You could go to the store and you'll probably get it for $100 or more, but they're selling them for $39. Affordable. Any scent that you want. What? $39? Ladies, you gotta check it out. You have to check it out. They even have a 20% off right now for a welcome offer. Okay, guys, you have to try it. This smells so good. Okay, let me show you my other one. That's my favorite. Another one of my favorite. Who likes Gucci? Do you like Gucci? Let me tell you, this iconic scent right here is designer quality. Okay, floral honeysuckle smells perfect. Okay, it's inspired by Gucci. Okay, and every package come with this card, so it tells you what's inside of it, what's the ingredients, what it's inspired by, and it gives you a little sample of it. Okay, and like I said, ladies, they're $39. What? $39. You can't beat it. And they have a 20% off welcome offer. Ladies, come on, let's get into this. You want to smell good and be on a budget? You want to smell fly and luxury? Girl, let me tell you, click the link in my bio right now and get your 20% off right now, ladies. Hey girls, hey ladies, how you doing? Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you like it here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Alright, so today you guys are gonna be doing a get ready with me. Get ready with me. The girl went and got her hair done. Got my hair braided. Trying something different. So I'm doing a get ready with me video, okay? Guys, you guys want to come up with me? I'm going to a brunch, so you guys are going to watch me get ready, okay? Stay tuned. Hey girls, so get ready to step outside. So how are you ladies doing? How is it going? I know it's not easy, guys. I know it's not easy. I have my days myself. Sometimes I just be lazy. Sometimes I be going through it. Sometimes I be having anxiety attacks. I'm like, what am I doing? Comment down below if you go through anxiety attacks, like you have anxiety attacks. I think because of COVID and dying for it, a lot of people are facing anxiety attacks or even depression. Okay, if you're having depression or any anxiety attacks, guys, please seek help. Get help. Talk to somebody about it. Don't drive yourself crazy. Sometimes we go crazy over the littlest things, and you'll be surprised. You'll be surprised, you know. Sometimes you just gotta be thankful and thank God that you made it somewhere, you are somewhere, you're gonna go somewhere, okay, girls? You're gonna make it somewhere, so don't drive yourself crazy, okay? These kids were sent to drive me crazy, but that doesn't mean you have to go crazy, okay? Don't go crazy because of the kids, okay? And other thing, you know, life challenges, everyday challenges can also drive you crazy. But I do want to say, I'm not a makeup expert. I just want you guys to know I'm not a makeup expert. I'm just, you know, trying to be cute. But I'm not a makeup expert. Okay? So I hope you guys are liking my videos, you know? In New York, the weather, guys, it's where's the summer? Is summer here yet? I think y'all need to hit me up when summer comes, because right now I thought that we was gonna get into the spring. Spring is like 2 weeks away. It's like we're now getting winter. It makes no sense. It makes no sense, man. Sometimes I get winter depression. Do any of you guys that live in New York get winter depression? Because I get winter depression. As soon as the light change, not light, the time changes, I get depression. I get depressed because I don't like knowing that the day is about to be done like that. As soon as my daughter gets out of school, it's gonna get dark and it's like the day is done already. I like the sunlight, you know. I'm even open and changing, like moving away to like a warmer environment all year round. I'm really open to it. Cause I don't like, one thing I don't like is to be cold. And that's another thing. Like I don't really like being in the house when it's cold. Like I always have on my socks. I always have on my robe. So I just don't like to feel cold. And I'm not anemic, you know? I just don't know why. I just always been like that. That's why if you see me with hoodies on, looking like a mom, I don't like to be cold. And I like to be comfortable. I'd rather be comfortable and cute than just looking cute and naked and crazy, you know? But I really want to change my wardrobe. Like I want to look more my age, you know? And I want to look more, you know, classy and sexy. Because I am somebody's woman, you know? I'm not trying to look like a mom all day, every day, 24/7. The other day I went to the mall and I had on this whole sweatsuit and I was like, what am I doing? Why do I have this? I was like, why did y'all let me come out the house like this? And I thought I felt very insecure about myself. Because I was like, I look crazy. Like, they look fly and nice and I'm just here with sweatpants. So it's like I got my kids ready and forgot about me. Yeah, guys. We're going to talk about that for another day. Okay? We're going to talk about putting ourselves first, making sure that we're good before everything else. Okay, ladies, we're gonna talk. We're gonna have our moment, all right? We're gonna talk, ladies. We're gonna talk. Smell like money on a budget. You won't be disappointed, ladies. Remember, I put you on. Check out Dossier. Click the link in my bio. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my channel today, ladies. If you're new here, remember to subscribe. Thanks for staying with me. Mommy Takeover. Guys, and remember to check out Dossier. The link is going to be in my description box down below. Remember to get all their nice sales they got going on now. Remember to hit subscribe. See you guys later.